Hello, it's Gummy. Here's how to install and configure the SwissBorg application on your mobile phone. Just before you download the app, I have a little gift for you. You can win up to $100 which will be credited to your SwissBorg account. All you have to do is click on my link in the description bar or in the comments and register via this link, and you could win one of these scratch cards which will allow you, once you have simply put 50 euro in your account, to unlock it and thus have a reward. You can then directly withdraw them to your bank account if you wish, so don't hesitate. The first thing to do is to download the application via the Apple Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Once that's done, you click on Open. There is the application that will launch. There is a little tutorial you can watch. Then just click on Start. You will need to enter your mobile phone number. If you live in Switzerland, just click on the Swiss code. If you live in France, the code then, you will receive a confirmation code by SMS on your mobile phone, which you will then need to fill in to be able to confirm your mobile number. So you can enter the code. Next, you will need to choose a secret code for yourself. You will need to indicate this in order to protect your SwissBorg account. You will put it a second time to confirm it. Next, you will need to verify your identity, this time with a valid ID card. This is very important, and as it is marked, it is requested in government regulations to protect users from anything that is fraud or identity theft. So you just need to accept the following conditions. Next, you will have to enter your first and last name, your date of birth, your nationality. You put next. Next, you will have to enter an email address. You put next. Then, simply go to your emails and click on Verify your email address. Once this is done, you will move on to the next step. You will have to enter your address. Then, you will simply need to enter your investment experience. You don't need to lie, you can just tell the truth. Whether you are a beginner or advanced, they are not going to stop you from creating an account. So you really put the information as it is. And here we come to the last step, where you will simply have to take a photo of your identity card. You can either use your passport, a driving license, a national identity document, or a residence permit. You put Start. There is the camera which will normally open. You will simply need to scan your ID and then take a photo of your face. You indicate the document you wish to scan. Then you activate the camera. You put OK, like this. Then you send the photo. Then you just have to take a selfie. Here I am. Take off your glasses if you have them. That way it will make the check easier. And then just take a simple selfie like this. Then you send the photo. And there you have it. You have sent all the documents. Now SwissBorg will review the documents. Usually it takes a few minutes if you have taken nice clear photos. Or it can take a few hours if the photos are a bit blurry, etc. But don't worry, you can put a warning once it's good. So you can allow notifications in the app. You can already look at the application, what it looks like, as you can see right here. And then you will be informed as soon as possible, once your account is validated,